The presence of Jesus. My brother, you need a shift in your ministry. It's your season. It's your time. A shift is coming. A shift is coming. I am a shift is coming. Of limitation, I pull you out. I pull you out. Oh Jesus, you are welcome. That is it. Oh yeah, rest upon her, rest upon him, rest upon her, rest upon him, rest upon him, rest upon him. Oh yeah, like a rushing mighty wind, rest upon him, rest upon her. Oh yeah, take some fire now. Go and set your campus on fire. Go and set your family on fire. Take.